Welcome to our guide on how to regain access to your Twitter account through your email address on PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open x.com, account begin, password, reset in your web browser to start the account recovery process. Search for the email address linked to your Twitter account to proceed with regaining access. If you no longer have access to the email address, click on Don't have access to these. To explore further options, select I'd like to deactivate or close my account to access additional account recovery choices. From the second drop-down menu, choose I don't have access to the email address to indicate your specific situation. Fill out the deletion request form, select your personal account, and provide an alternative email address that you can access for communication purposes. In the Describe field, provide detailed information about your situation and explain why you are unable to access your email address. Finally, click Submit to send the form and initiate the account recovery process. By following these steps, you can take proactive measures to regain access to your Twitter account through an alternative email address. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to recover your Twitter account using your PC and email address. Follow these steps to regain access to your account and resume your Twitter experience.